So last night I decided to want to run a marathon. Last week I coughed blood, went to the hospital, have inflammation in my chest, lungs. Doesn't matter. Your mind is the thing that prevents you. So today, I just woke up 10 seconds ago. So in 3 hours time, I will run 42 kilometers. Let's see how it goes. About 4 kilometers in. This is going to be much harder than what I expected. Within the first kilometer, I was already dead. I've got another 38 more to go. If this takes me 24 hours, so be it. I will not stop until it is done. Oh my God. Let's do this. I have to stop. This kangaroo does not care that I'm here. He's just loving and eating. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. About 8 kilometers in. This is fucking hard. Oh, you can hear my voice. I mean, I smoked marijuana. I started since I was 19. I had my first bong. And I was just an occasional smoker, you know. Every weekend, catch up with a mate, have a smoke. And then I transitioned to durries. Durries meaning cigarette in Australia. Darts, as you will. And literally they are darts, they poke holes in your fucking lung. Don't smoke. Last week, on Wednesday, I had a heavy session of marijuana. I smoked 5 joints, probably 4 grams, along with cigarettes mixed, obviously. And I had some pizza afterwards, and I coughed blood. And I'm spitting, and I cough blood. And I start getting really scared, because I haven't done that before properly. Like, you know, cough, blood. I went to work the next day, I had a cigarette, cough, blood mixed with mucus. I went to the hospital, and they're telling me I may have a blood clot. I'm doing this test, I'm doing that test. Not a blood clot. And then I get booked for a CT scan. 2 days later, I then go see a specialist this week on Tuesday. And he tells me that my blood vessels were damaged, I'm leaking blood into my lungs, and that's why when I cough black shit, because that's dry blood, but when it's black, it's because it's mixed with something in your lungs and therefore it turns black, and that's what I'm coughing. And instantaneously, the day before, or the week before, when I was sitting in that hospital room, I said to myself, fuck this. You know, why does it take the fear of death to cause someone to change instantaneously? And I've come to realize, you know, you are not your mind, nor your body. You know, as David Goggins says, when you think you're at 100%, you're actually at 20%. It's just your choice whether to push through. So why the fuck am I running this marathon today? Walking, running, jogging, whatever. I'm doing as much as I can, as best as I can, as fast as I can. If it takes me 24 hours, it takes me 24 hours. But the reason why I say that is because there's no point trying to beat the world record if you can't even finish the damn race. There's no point thinking of the finish line if you can't even finish the first step in front of you, you know? And too many of us allow our mind to limit us and limit our potential. And so others, as you can see, have achieved greatness. And greatness is not running a marathon in 42,000 hours or anything like that. Greatness is actually finishing. Greatness is actually starting and then finishing. Something that I failed to do throughout my life. My mind wanders, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, I want to do that. And nothing gets done. Last night I was sitting there and I'm like to my grandma, should I? I'm sitting there with my grandma and I'm just thinking, what am I doing tomorrow? Absolutely nothing. So why the fuck not run a marathon? Finish a marathon, I should say. And so be it. That's what I am doing. You know, people go, I'm going to train 6 months. You need a team of support workers around you. You need, you know, You need to build your calf muscles, you need to build your lung capacity, you need to be able to do shit like that before you can even attempt. Bullshit. It starts with the decision and ends with the decision. That's it. Fundamentally, the truth is, and the truth is something that you cannot divide further and further down. It is the absolute crux of it. And at the crux of trying to finish something, or even complete something, or get to the top of something, it starts with the decision, ends with the decision. I will die before I quit this 42 kilometers. Mark my words. Let's go. 14.4 kilometers down. Now, I ran from my grandma's house in Endeavour Hills to my mum's house in Fentry Gully. And now I'm going to run back. And then I'm going to do the whole thing again. This is fucking easy. It's all in the mind. And when you detach from the mind, the body's inhibitions are no fucking more. Let's do this. An hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes in, I'm losing my voice. I thought it would be actually much harder than this. But that being said, I'm only 15 kilometers in. We'll see what I say when I have to go and do the whole thing again. It's all in the mind though. When you detach from the mind, you can do whatever. Just hit the 16 kilometer mark. I've lost my voice. That's okay. That's okay. I thought it would be much harder than this, but we'll see what I say in another 16 kilometers. If I'm still standing. But it's all in the mind. When you push through the mind, you can do whatever. I may have spoken too soon. I had to buy a Gatorade quickly because my fucking calf and my knees are so sore. Holy shit. I know, I'm just going to be absolutely fucked by 30 kilometers. This pain is pretty fucking bad. But it's okay, because it's all in the mind. Oh, fuck. I got deep heat. It's the only thing I brought with me in my phone. Oh, because I expected something like this to happen. Oh. My fucking ass here. Oh. That's right. Got another about 2-3 hours to go. That's 2-3 hours. And then I can sit down and fucking relax. But I need to finish it. Jesus, right here, fucking kills. Oh. Cars walking past, driving past, thinking, what the fuck's this cunt doing? Excuse my profanity, but I just don't care. Right now, at least. Let's move on. I'm almost back at my grandma's house. When I left mum's house, I said, oh, this is surprisingly easy. Fuck me, this is hard. But hard is not impossible. That's the thing. You know, my legs are burning as if someone's just Chinese burned your friggin' arm off. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's just the body will tell you one thing: stop, stop, stop. But that's the start. And then the mind starts giving way to the body, going, oh yeah, I should stop. Oh, it's burning. I should stop. And so it's like the body and mind. Look at this. Oh, it's like the body and mind. I'm gonna have to jump. This is gonna be fucking painful. Oh no, I'll go over here. The body and mind act as if they like work together. But why am I still going? It's proof in itself that you're not your mind or your body. Oh, you've got plenty of reserves in the tank. You'll only stop when your body gives way. Yes, if your body gives way, then yes, you will stop. Of course, you can only take the body to its limits. But at the same time, the limits are never what the mind thinks the limits are. Therefore, you are not the body, you are not the mind. It's your choice to keep going, or it's your choice to stop. That is the indivisible truth. It's fucking painful. Oh, that's so good. I've had to walk. I walk for 5 minutes, I go to jog, and I just give way. Oh, my fucking legs. I've got another 12 kilometers to go. Oh. The pain is temporary. It may last for a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year. But eventually it will subside, and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it will last forever. Eric Thomas. 10 kilometers left. 10 more and I finished my first marathon. 7 days after coughing blood and going and getting CT scans and the rest of it. 7 days. I was actually not 10, my bad. But the thing is, I was a pack a day smoker for 4 years pretty much, even more. You have no excuse as to why you can't do whatever the fuck you want to do. Just be you, do it. Sometimes you just have to appreciate that you're able to be aware to witness this. Because what are you? You are awareness. When you sleep and you have a lucid dream, your body is here, your mind is here, but you are aware somewhere else. When you have a psychedelic trip, for example in DMT, and it shoots you off to the body into the other realm, you are aware when you are over there. You are you when you are over there. But you are not the body and you are not the mind. You know, it's often that you go on a bad trip when you want to find the body again and you're unable to. That is torment. It's just that everyone fails to realize that they are aware right now in the present moment. And you know, we say, oh, tomorrow I will feel better, or yesterday I felt good, or, you know, there's no such thing as tomorrow or yesterday. Yes, there is on the eyes of society when we use it as a construct, as a measuring tool, you know, as if 2 points in time are connected by this thing that we call seconds, seconds or hours or years, you know, but that's just a construct of the human mind. Because in every single moment, you are in the now. There is no such thing as tomorrow or yesterday, even though your mind makes you believe that that is true. And because your mind believes that it is true that tomorrow exists, you always use tomorrow as an excuse for something that you could have done right now. What a life. I was just screaming in pain for the last 3 minutes. That cramp under my left knee. Oh. It's alright. We're on the home stretch. 300 meters to go. There is no how did I do this. It's just I fucking did it. And it is proof that the how do I do this, how do I do that, gets you fucking nowhere. Remove the how and you do whatever you want. Marathon completed. How do I feel? No different to when before I started. On to the next thing.